Hello friends, welcome to this session. In this session we are going to discuss about JEE Advanced 2019. I have chemistry paper 1 with me. Let's discuss the first question of section 1. This is the first question we have. It says the correct order of acidic strength of the following carboxylic acid is. Here we have 4 carboxylic acids. You can see all 4 carboxylic acids. Now students, it's a very easy simple question. This question belongs to aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acid chapter. Here we can compare the acidic strength on the basis of the plus I or minus I effect. If I talk about carboxylic acids, withdrawing groups increase the acidic strength while the donating groups decrease the acidic strength. If I talk about the first option, we can see here the carbon attached to this COOH group is sp hybridized. Now if I talk about the second, here the carbon attached is sp2 hybridized. In this case also the carbon attached is sp2 hybridized and it is a benzene ring. Next, the carbon attached here is sp3 hybridized. So out of the given options, as we know that more the S character, more will be the electronegativity. So maximum acidic strength will be for option 1 because here the S character of attached carbon is maximum. On the other hand, the minimum acidic strength will be for this fourth compound because the hybridization is sp3. So 1 has the maximum acidic strength and 4 has the minimum acidic strength. So out of the given option, we have B and D, in which we have first as the maximum acidic strength and fourth as the minimum acidic strength. Now if I compare second and third, here we can see the second compound will be more acidic. Why? Because here there is no donor groups. This OMe group behaves as the donor group, hence decrease the acidic strength. So 1 will be most acidic, second will be second most acidic, then we have third and fourth will be least acidic. So if I go through the options, so the correct answer is given in option B. Hence the correct answer for this question will be option B. Now let's move to the next question. This is the next question we have. It says the green color produced in the borax B test of a chromium 3 salt is due to. What are the options we have? We have CRB, we have Cr2B4O7 whole thrice, we have CrBO2 whole thrice, and we have Cr2O3. Students, if I talk about borax B test, here we use the glassy bead, which is a mixture of NaBO2 and B2O3. Now when it reacts with Cr3 plus containing salt, it will give us CrBO2 whole thrice. It will give us CrBO2 whole thrice, which is green in color. So if I talk about the given options, the correct answer is given in option C. Hence, the correct answer for this question will be option C. Now let's move to the next question. This is the next question we have, students, which says calamine, malachite, magnetite and cryolite respectively are. These are the given options. Students, this question belongs to metallurgy chapter. We have to identify the ores. If I talk about calamine ore, it is zinc carbonate. If I talk about malachite, malachite is CuCO3.CuOH whole twice. If I talk about magnetite, magnetite has a formula Fe3O4. And if I talk about cryolite, it's Na3AlF6. So calamine is zinc carbonate, which is ZnCO3. Malachite is CuCO3.CuOH whole twice. If I talk about the magnetite, it is Fe3O4. And if I talk about cryolite, it is Na3AlF6. So out of the given option, the correct answer is given in option C. Hence, the correct answer for this question will be option C. Now let's move to the next question. This is the next question we have, which is the fourth and last question of section 1, which says molar conductivity lambda m of aqueous solution of sodium stearate sodium stearate is C17S35COONA, which behaves as a strong electrolyte, is recorded at varying concentrations of sodium stearate. Which one of the following plots provides the correct representation of missile formation in the solution? Here it's given critical missile concentration CMC is marked with an arrow in the figures. Now let us go through the options. These are the options we have. We can see this is the first option, A option. Here we have graph between lambda m versus root C. Then we have this second option. Then we have the third option, and this is the fourth option we have. Students, if I talk about sodium stearate, at lower concentration it behaves as a strong electrolyte. And we know that with increase in concentration, the lambda m decreases. Now, what happens after CMC? After critical missile concentration, they form associated colloids. So, with associated colloids, the concentration decreases rapidly. The number of ions in the solution decreases rapidly, because of which the lambda m decreases. Hence, the graph will be first decrease, then again decrease. So, if I go through the options, in the first option we can see the graph is first increasing then decreasing, which is not the correct answer. If I talk about the third option, here we have decreasing and then constant graph. If I talk about the fourth option, it is decreasing and then increasing. So, these three options are not the right answer. If I talk about the B option, here we can see the value of lambda m decreases with increasing concentration and then it decreases sharply. The number of ions is decreasing in the solution after CMC. That's why lambda m should decrease. Hence, out of the given option, the correct answer is given in option B. Therefore, the correct answer for this question will be option B. So students, this was all about section 1. Now let's move to the section 2.